Hello guys, let me show you the features available on ArcFun. First, we have the token swap feature. We have already integrated Uniswap and KyberSwap on mainnet, but it's not publicly available yet. We also have a Circle bridge that supports 15 major blockchains, including Solana and Stellar. Now let me show you one of the most useful features of our bridge. I'm going to bridge 300 USDC from Base to Monad, and then I'm going to cancel the mint transaction. Imagine you lose your internet connection while bridging, or Circle CCTP goes down for a while after your tokens have already been burned. Normally, your funds would be stuck until you manually recover them. On ArcFun, you can simply click the retry button whenever you want because we store every bridge transaction in our database. If your burn transaction was successful, you can retry the mint process at any time without starting over. We also added manual recovery. Let's say you used another bridge and there was no retry option, but your funds were already burned. All you need to do is paste your burn transaction hash, select the source chain, and click Recover on ArcFun. Our backend handles the entire recovery process for you, including the destination gas fee. We'll continue adding support for more blockchains in future updates. Next, we have our chat system. Users can chat with each other using either a wallet address or a name, and they can send payments directly inside the chat. It's inspired by apps like Google Pay. Right now, it's just a demo, but we'll be adding many more features soon. Now let me show you one of the most interesting features, the ArcFun wallet. It's powered by Circle developer-controlled wallets. Creating a wallet is very simple. Just connect your browser wallet, sign once, and create your ArcFun wallet in a few clicks. You'll also set up a passkey and password for extra security. The best part is that ArcFun Wallet can execute transactions without asking you to sign every single one manually. Just one click and the transaction is completed. Let me show you. I'm now sending a payment using my ArcFun Wallet. Inside the wallet settings, you can configure different security policies. We'll be adding even more options like whitelisted addresses and additional protection features. For example, I can set an approval threshold of $1,000. Any transaction below that amount will be processed automatically without asking for authentication. But if I change the setting to always require authentication, then even a $1 transaction will require a passkey or password before it's executed. The main reason we built ArcFun Wallet is because we're preparing for AI agent integration. In the future, your AI agent will be able to perform blockchain transactions for you using simple text commands without requiring you to manually sign every transaction. We'll also introduce automatic payments inside the chat system. For example, you can schedule daily or monthly payments directly from your ArcFun wallet. To keep everything secure, we already have security policies like daily spending limits and maximum transaction amounts. We'll continue adding more security controls so even our AI agents operate within the rules that you define. ArcFun is still less than 50% complete, so there are many more features coming. Hopefully, in the next update, I'll be able to show you a much bigger demo with everything fully integrated. For now, you can already explore the features that are available today, including multi-transfer, along with many other features. If you have any questions about ArcFun, feel free to send me a message on Discord or Twitter. Thanks for watching.